Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Lady Maria 51 channel. Today we're going to prepare a dessert called Mantecaditos or Polvorones. So join me to prepare this delicious dessert. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré hablando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. The ingredients and the materials to prepare the mantecaditos are 3 cups of wheat flour, 2 sticks of butter or margarine, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a cup of sugar, half a cup of vegetable chutney, cherries to decorate, and finally a tray with its baking paper. We start with the ingredients. We add the 2 sticks of butter, a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of vegetable chutney, add the flour. Now we mix all the ingredients. This is how the dough remains when all the ingredients are mixed. Now we're going to form the balls. We form the ball just as it is. Now we place it on the tray and press it a little in the center. And now we put a cherry in the center. And our mantecadito or polvorone is formed. We will continue filling the tray and placing it in the preheated oven at 325 degrees and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. The mantecaditos are here! Look how cute they are! Remember that it is made in the preheated oven at 325 degrees and baked for approximately 20 to 25 minutes or golden brown. We prepare this recipe with great love. Remember to share this video on Facebook, Instagram or your social media so that your friend can also prepare it. If you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe to this channel, Lady Maria 51, and activate the bell to receive the new videos. See you in the next video.